Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of cache app. You click on settings. Here in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about cache app and you will enter. Then you click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So if it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.